Hey folks, Ben from Western Hunter here. We are out here today to give you a quick sound demo on the special edition Western Hunter Phelps Elk Call package. With me today is Mark Ghiorzo. Mark has lungs the size of hot air balloons and can really move some air and has experience with these Phelps diaphragms. So Mark's going to give us a good representation of what these calls are capable of and what a good quality sound can come from them.
Alright guys, so here's a quick rundown on the sound demo. I'm going to take these 3 diaphragms and I'm going to blow each of them at 550 yards and give you guys just a couple different sound files of all 3 different calls. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start with black. Alright guys, now we're going to sound file the green diaphragm. Alright guys, now we're going to sound file the last one, the gray diaphragm. Alright guys, now we're going to demo the Phelps cow call, the acrylic version.
Alright folks, well I hope that gives you kind of a good understanding of what these calls are capable of and the sounds that you can make with it. Especially at varying distances, you kind of get an idea of what that bull would be hearing. Mark's got some recommendations for some of these diaphragm calls, so.
Well, the one big thing that I want to do is, you guys have 3 different diaphragms here. They are all different in their own kind of way, so make sure to try them all out through the tube. Cow calling you can do without the tube. Don't try and bugle without the tube. But the one thing that you want to just find is the one that is easiest for you and stick to blowing that one the most until you can kind of master that, and then come back to these if you're struggling with the other ones.
So I hope that gives you guys a good idea of these calls, and if you have any questions, give us a call.